Hi, I'm Kelly Young with American Rifleman, and this week's Gun of the Week is one of Savage Arms' 4 new AR platform rifles, the MSR-15 Recon. Savage Arms joined the AR market late last year with the introduction of 2 AR-10 models available in either 6.5 Creedmoor or .308 Winchester, and 2 AR-15 models with 223 Wild target chambers, with this carbine that we have here being an example of the latter. This Recon represents the company's upgraded variant, as it incorporates several extra features missing from the somewhat less expensive Patrol model. The Recon is a standard direct impingement AR-15 with a mid-length gas system, and all of the operating controls are located right where you'd expect to find them. It comes with a very slim, free-floating handguard with Picatinny rail along its entire 12 o'clock surface, providing the shooter with about 18 total inches worth of rail space for the installation of optics like this Bushnell SMRS. The remaining 7 surfaces of the handguard feature M-LOK compatible slots for the installation of additional rail segments. Savage has partnered with its sister company Blackhawk for the rest of the Recon's furniture, as it wears the company's Nox AR pistol grip, Axiom 6-position buttstock, and backup iron sights. Internally, the rifle also benefits from a nickel boron treated Blackhawk trigger that gives this gun a pretty decent stock factory trigger pull with a weight that broke right at around 7 pounds. Both receivers are forged of 7075 T6 aluminum with a black hardcoat anodized finish, and the lower does have some extra stylistic touches shaped into the magwell. The 16 1/8 inch melanite treated barrel is made of 4140 steel and utilizes 5R rifling with a 1-in-8 right-handed twist rate. With a chamber that's a hybrid of the 223 Remington and the 5.56 NATO, the 223 Wild can fire either cartridge without any issues, and this rifle was both impressively reliable and accurate during our testing. Total weight of the Recon stands at a very handy 7 pounds. Savage came right out of the gate with a pretty well-rounded line of AR platform rifles, and with an MSRP of just under $1,000, the Recon just might be the one that offers the most bang for the buck. For more information on the Savage MSR-15 Recon, visit savagearms.com.